done a couple of ombre lipsticks on this channel before, and I get a lot of requests to try different colors together. Recently, I had someone recommend me using pink and red together to make an ombre red to pink. So I just happen to have both of these colors, and this is my favorite red lipstick so far. It's Maybelline Ruby Red. I've worn it on this channel before. And this is my favorite pink, which is Black Radius Berry Bold. So I figured I'll try to mix them together and see how it looks like. I've never done this before, not with these colors. I've always done black and whatever color I want to do. I never done red with another color. And I usually don't look good in pink. I've tried this particular color a couple of times and it does look good depending on what I'm wearing, but it's very situational. It's not something I can pop on. Just pink doesn't look good on me. Red is kind of iffy, but pink definitely doesn't look good on me all the time. So yeah, you've seen me wear these colors before individually, but today will be the first time I tried to mix it together, and this may be a very bad experiment. We'll see. The thing about it is, when you play around with makeup, you try different things. Some things are going to work out. Some things are not going to work out. But you never know until you play around and see. So I've done a tutorial on how to do ombre lipstick on this channel before, so you can find that. I'll just run through it real quick because, you know, I kind of have to for this. So if you're interested in that, you should check out my first video because I go more into detail on how to do it. So I'll just run through it really quick. I'll put the pink first because the pink is going to be in the middle and then the red's going to go around it. And it should blend in well. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. I've had times when I tried this technique before and it didn't work out. I ended up having the black overshadow the rest of it. But because I'm going with red, we'll see what happens. Maybe it might blend a little better. Start with the pink first. This is definitely the only pink I've ever used that actually looks good on me. And even so, it's not the best look on me. Okay, got the pink together. Moving on to Maybelline Ruby Red. Not too bad. This was suggested to me, so I figured I'll try it. Just out of curiosity. Oh man, I messed up. Got it in my mustache. Oh no. It happens. Okay. Not too bad. What if I add a little bit more of the pink, which I usually do at the top because my top lip usually requires a lot more of the center color. I don't know. I like it because it has an 80s look to it, but it's not really quite doing it for me. I figured this would be the last time I try pink. I've tried pink a couple of times and I never really fully love it. There are times that I like it, but I never really fully love it. This particular one I really like a lot, but it just doesn't really, the color itself just doesn't really work for me. Although I really do like this together. It worked out better than I expected, so I can't really complain. I probably should put some gloss. Maybe. Hmm. Let me try gloss on it. See what happens. Just a little. Just a little bit of gloss does make it blend a little better and look a little better together. So I do kind of like it. Oh, need to clean up. It's a little better. With the gloss, it works a lot better. But at the same time, I probably won't wear pink anymore. I think it's not my color. Oh, knocking over stuff. But if I do wear pink, I'll probably do it like this, the red and the pink together, because I think this is probably the best combination of it that I've worn so far. Ombre red to pink. Why I feel so short now? I'm literally on my tippy toes right now. I like it. I've kind of grown a little more accustomed to red. I used to think that red wouldn't look good on me, but I like it a lot now. So I think the red makes it a lot better. Will I do this again? Probably not. I don't think I'm going to wear this color again. Not anytime soon, unless there's a reason to do it. A certain theme I need to go with, but probably not. But I do like it, and I'm just not in love with it. I just think I'm not in love with pink like I thought it would be. I was really hoping I would fall in love with pink. I think it's somewhat of a risky color, and I like taking risks. I really wanted to pull it off, but I don't know. I don't really care for it. But like this, blended with the red, I do think it looks a lot better, and I would rock this again under different circumstances. All right, that's it for this lipstick try on. Take care.